Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the controller and confirming the PC sees it. Use a wired USB-C Xbox pad for simplest results, or pair a dual sense over Bluetooth if needed. Once done, open Steam and enter Big Picture to let Steam manage input. Make sure Steam input is enabled for Elden Ring. This forces correct button icons and mapping. If Windows prompts for drivers, accept them. After that, launch the Steam controller overlay to verify inputs register before loading the game. Now you configure mapping and analog behavior so controls feel precise. From the game's Steam page, open controller configuration and pick an appropriate template, Xbox or PlayStation, to match on-screen prompts. If a button is wrong, remap it and bind macros sparingly. Next, adjust stick sensitivity and dead zones in the configuration. Small dead zones help avoid drift. Test each input with the overlay's live input view and tweak triggers for analog attack variants. Save a custom profile tied to finish by validating controls in actual gameplay. Jump into a safe area and test camera speed, dodge timing, lock-on, and menu navigation. These reveal what still needs tuning. Make small sensitivity tweaks in-game and turn vibration on or off to your preference, then resave your Steam profile. If the controller stops working, first swap the cable or repair Bluetooth, then toggle Steam input for the game. If issues persist, restart Steam or the PC. This resolves most driver and overlay conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.